Hello, my name is Iro Musu. I am a game developer slash web developer. In this channel, I create content to teach people how to do stuff in Unity for making games and also web development stuff. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to change the intensity of your light runtime in your game environment, your light at runtime, sorry, in your game environment, and also how to change the color of the light at runtime in your gaming environment. It's quite simple to do, so I'll just take you through the steps, and without any further ado, let's go. So basically, this is what we'll be having when I hit the play button. I the game starts and we're in the scene, and I can reduce the intensity of the light by rolling my wheel mouse wheel down, or increase it by rolling my mouse wheel continuously upwards. You could set a limiter to that, and if you want me to add a limiter to the code, or if you do know how to add a limiter, let me know. Or if you want me to add a limiter, let me know, and I'll do that in another video. Um, but that being said, that's not all we can do. We can also change the lights, like you have RGB. So here you go. That's like changing. It randomly picks between the colors. So sometimes I might click and it stays on the same color because it picked the same number of game. But basically, this is it. Yeah. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to have the package for the scene um, in a linked video in the description of the video, the link for the package file and also for the software. The software is only allowed for personal use. I got this from, I think, Free 3D. So I set the scene up in a way that you can just drag the software in to your hierarchy and get it working directly with the scene. But you already have the scene as a prefab in Unity, and that's basically it. So let's get started. We'll create a new scene because we don't want to do that. Um, we're going to bring in the lights package. I'm just going to I should go back to my folder and probably move this out of here because I don't want it to be in the game already, that kind of thing. I'll just drop it in my desktop. So yeah, moved to the desktop. So there you go. I'll delete this asset right here. You know what? I won't delete it outside your project, so we don't have to delete that. So let's go file, new project, and I'm going to call this room light class. I'm going to copy that and put the same thing as the name of my folder because that's how I like to work. I'm using Unity version 2019.3.1, but this should work in any version of Unity, I think, from maybe from Unity 5. So you're good if you're on Unity 5 upwards. You're good. So we hit create. Wait for that to initialize all the project files and template, whatever. How fast does your Unity initialize? Let me know in the comment box down below, because this is taking quite some time. Really annoying. Probably because I have a bunch of all this stuff going on. Who knows? Yep. So it's almost ready. Let's give it a sec. Okay, I'll definitely cut all this out. So there we go. Unity set. Now, like I'm in a new project. I'll start by bringing in my package, my Unity package file. Let's let's just close this for now. Yeah, so I'll start by bringing in my Unity package file. Um, yeah, so in this file you have the prefab for the room, and then you also have the what they call it, the script for this. So we're just going to import all of that. I think works fine. Yeah, so um, here's the script, and here are the materials that we're using. You can make your own materials, but those are the materials I created to use. Anyway, we're going to drag the scene assets and drop it in your scene. Um, After doing that, you probably want to rotate your camera around in your game view. I like to put it this way. Then you want to delete your main camera here, because we already have a main camera in the assets, so you want to delete that, and boom, there you go. Next thing we want to do is delete this directional light, because we do not need it. And bam, there you go. Our scene is looking very horrible. Now the first thing I want to do is go to Windows, click on rendering, and go to light settings. And yeah, it's taking quite some time. Okay, um, I don't know what happened. Rendering light settings, there you go. Boom. Now we're going to drag in our spotlight one. You can put it any of them you want. We'll change the effect a bit, just a bit. You might not even be able to notice it, but it's about the same thing. So I'll just go with one, and then you change skybox to color, and real time global illumination should be turned on, and auto generate. You can leave that on, you can turn it off. It doesn't really matter. And then boom, close. There you go. We have our scene, and we're good to go. Now the next thing we want to do is bring in our model. So I'm going to go to I think my desktop. Yeah, where you have the FBX. I'm going to drag the no, I won't drag. I change my mind. Open that. Bring in the sofa. Now the sofa, it's in set up so you can just drag and drop the sofa. No need to put it in the scene yourself. Just drag and drop. Boom. There you have it. No need to do all those placements that I went through. I did that for you. Now the next thing we're going to do is create our script. I'll go through the script and explain everything I did in the script, so you'll be able to understand what's happening in the script. I already have everything, so that's just it. I usually like the name of my object and the script to be the same, so I can easily find the object or the script, whichever way. So I'm going to copy that, right click and do a create empty game object, and I will take that empty game object like control. Perfect. Now we're going to drop in our light control, and there you have our lights and our colors. The next thing you want to do is always endeavor to save your scenes. Very important. Always endeavor to save. So I've saved right now, and the next thing I'm going to do is open up C# to explain what the heck is going on in the code. So what we basically have is a very simple script, which is checking for interaction with the mouse and making all the necessary adjustments when you do interact with the mouse. Now we have two functions here. I'll explain what's going on now. Let me take this out. That. Save. No, I explain what's going on here first. Let's explain what these methods do. So basically, this is, as the name implies, adjust light intensity. So this goes through all the lights all the lights that you have provided, and it intensifies. It adjusts the intensity of the lights at a go in one loop for every single light that you have selected in the scene. In our case, for the sample scene you saw, it's 3 lights and they are all going to be changed. to the same value at the same time with this loop function. So what this does is it gets the total value of lights, and then it increments through those lights with this variable x. We're picking through the lights because the lights are in an array. So we're picking through the different array 1, 2, 3, and so on. And we're adjusting the intensity of each light as you scroll. So what happens is this is done in the update function here. Every time you scroll your mouse, the wheel of the mouse, it adjusts the light. Um, there's also a function here that does about the same thing, but this time it's to change the color. Now the issue is our colors are also in an array, so therefore we want something to be cleaner. So we created the method for change color, and then we passed a variable for the color. So in our update, we generate the new color variable, and we pass that into the random color into the color array to pick the particular color we want. And that color is sent over to change color, and the change color does the work and change the color to the specified color for all three lights. Um, yeah, so that's basically it. So we declared a public array for lights and a public array for colors, so we can select the particular colors and lights we want to affect with this script. So that being said, let's jump in. So for the size of the lights, we know it's three lights, and I'm going to drag in the lights one by one into the scene. One, two, three. That it sounds that's about enough. And we're going to change the color, the size of the color to 5. You can change it to whatever number you want. I'm just going to use 5, and I'm going to select the color that I want pretty fast. I'm going to go for red. Yeah, I'm going to go for green. Yeah, I'm going to go for blue. I'm going to go for this, whatever this color is. And here, I'm going to go for yellow. Yellow. That's it. Now hit save. Let's turn the intensity of our lights down. We can do this in script. I'll just let me just go add that in script pretty fast. So on start, what you want to do is copy all of this, put that here, and then on start you want to basically set all intensity value to 0. Bam. There you go. We save. Now let's hit play and see what happens. So on the fly, everything is set to 0, and which is understandable, which is what we wanted. Now if we hit our scroll bar, our scroll bar or scroll whatever that is, the scroller, we can change the intensity to whatever we want. Sorry, my phone seems to be disturbing every single time. It's different sounds. Sorry about that. So you scroll and have this scroll effect. Now we can change the lights to whatever color we want. And this feels like RGB shit to me in virtual reality or virtual world. Anyway, looks cool. Let me know what you think about this video. If you think my presentation is good, let me know. If you think there's a way I can improve on my presentation from my tutorials. Also, let me know if there's something you really want to see that you think I should do. Also, let me know down in the comments. And without any much talk, thank you for watching and stay